Good morning to all. In the today's class, we are discussing and special methods for the preparation of an aldehydes only. In the last class, we have discussed the methods for the preparation of an aldehydes and ketones both. In this class, we will discuss the special methods for the preparation of an aldehydes only. There are mainly 4 special methods for the preparation of aldehydes. First one, Rosenberg's reaction. Second one, Attard reaction. Third one, Stephan reaction. And fourth one, Gattermann's-Koch reaction. Then let us see one by one. The first reaction is an Rosenberg's reaction. That is Rosenberg's reduction reaction. The second one, Stephan reaction. Third one, Attard reaction. And fourth one, Gattermann's-Koch reaction. Fourth one is the Gattermann's-Koch reaction. These 4 are the special methods for the preparation of an aldehydes. In that, the Rosenberg reduction, we will use palladium as the catalyst, which is suspended over the barium sulfate solution. The Rosenberg reaction, the palladium is used as catalyst, which is suspended over the barium sulfate solution. And in the Stephan reaction, we will use stannous chloride in the concentrated hydrochloric acid. In the Stephan reaction, we will use stannous chloride in the concentrated hydrochloric acid. In the Attard reaction, we will use CrO2Cl2, that is chromyl chloride. It is known as chromyl chloride in the presence of an inert solvents like carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride is also used. The carbon tetrachloride and carbon disulfides are known as an inert solvents. Okay. Then the fourth reaction, we will use the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid. These are reacted with the hydrocarbon in the presence of an anhydrous, AlCl3, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, in the place of AlCl3 we can also use an Cu2Cl2, that is cuprous chloride. This is about an overview of an special methods for the preparation of an aldehyde. Then let us see the details. First one, Rosenberg's reduction reaction. In this reaction, we will prepare the aldehydes from acid chloride, or this acid chloride also known as an acyl chlorides. Acid chlorides are also known as an acyl chloride. This method is known as, that is special name is given as Rosenberg's reduction reaction. Now let us see what will happen in this reaction. In this reaction, the acyl chloride undergo reduction in the presence of palladium, which is suspended over the barium sulfate solution. That is an acid chloride COCl. This compound is known as generally acid chloride or acyl chloride. Acid chloride बोल सकते हैं इसको या acyl chloride बोल सकते हैं इसको. This compound undergo reduction, that is addition of hydrogen will take place in the presence of an palladium as the catalyst, which is suspended over the barium sulfate solution. Then it will undergo reduction to form the compound called aldehydes. Okay. किस तरह अल्डिहाइड देता है देखिए इधर R C डबल बॉन्ड O H plus hydrochloric acid. This is an aldehyde. Then let us see. This is the general representation of an Rosenberg reduction reaction. And take the example. In the place of R, we can take an aliphatic compound as well as an aromatic compound. First, we will take the aliphatic chain. CS3 C double bond O Cl, that is acetyl chloride. This compound is known as acetyl chloride. Undergo reduction in the presence of palladium, which is suspended over the barium sulfate solution, then it will use the acetaldehyde. Let us see the reaction. It will use the compound and acetaldehyde. CS3C double bond O H. Acetaldehyde is the main product and hydrochloric acid is the byproduct. This is about an aliphatic chain. And next example, C6H5 C double bond OCl. This compound is known as benzoyl chloride. The compound name is benzoyl. The compound name is benzoyl chloride. This benzoyl chloride undergo reduction in the presence of an palladium, which is suspended over the barium sulfate solution. Then it will use the compound that is aromatic aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. It will use the benzaldehyde, that is C6H5 C double bond O H. This compound is known as benzaldehyde. It is also known as an benzene carbondehyde. Benzaldehyde also it is known as and benzene carbondehyde. This is about the Rosenberg's reduction reaction. Then let us see second reaction. That is first one is the Rosenberg reaction, and the second one is the Stefan reaction. In the Stefan reaction, that is first one is the Rosenberg reaction. Second one, Stefan reaction. Is it can be prepared, aldehydes can be prepared from and nitriles. These nitriles are also known as cyanohydrocarbons. These nitriles are also known as cyanohydrocarbons. This method is known as an Stefan reaction. In this reaction also a reduction takes place in the presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. Then let us see the reaction. In the nitriles are cyanohydrocarbons. The cyanohydrocarbons undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride in the concentrated hydrochloric acid. Then it will use the addition product, which on acid hydrolysis the compound and finally aldehyde. How the reaction will take place? Then let us see. The nitriles, that is general representation RC triple bond, and such type of compounds are known as nitriles, are also known as cyanohydrocarbon. When nitriles undergo reduction in the presence of that is catalyst is stannous chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid, then the addition of hydrogen will take place to the carbon and nitrogen and use the addition product RCH double bond NH. And further, it will undergo an acid of hydrolysis, which on further acid of hydrolysis it will produce the aldehydes. In this acid of hydrolysis, one of the that is water molecules will undergo breakdown. In this reaction, one of the oxygen will be added to the carbon atom and a hydrogen will be added to the nitrogen. In this acid of hydrolysis, the oxygen will be added to the carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms are added to the nitrogen and get converted into an aldehyde, which is R C double bond OH plus, and the remaining byproduct is the ammonia, that is NS2. This is about the general representation, and we will discuss the example. That is example CH3 C triple bond, and the name of the compound is an ethane nitrile. The name of the compound is an ethane nitrile, or another name is cyanomethane. Cyanomethane, or also that is IUPAC name